Hello there, YouTube. Today we're going to look at my 2014 Dodge Durango V6 Pentastar limited edition rear-wheel drive Durango. I've added a couple things to my car, and I'm going to just walk you through the little small things that I've added to it. Start off, I've added a small LED bar at the front bumper. This is a license plate bracket that goes with it. I drilled it through. It's pretty securely on. Haven't had to really use it because it's pretty small. The wiring, it goes from the bumper pretty close attached to the bumper, a couple zip ties along the way, going through here, through the body on the 2014 Dodge Durango, and probably the same model type. The terminals are actually connected here, positive, negative terminal around here. They are divided by a plastic trim. We'll see later on. Now, the wiring, I didn't go through the firewall. I've actually gone through the side. The cabling, there's two, because one is power and the trigger for the LED bar, and one is for my dash cam, which I'll show you in a bit. There is no pinching going on. As you can see, it has a little bump because of the cables, but no water leaks through, nothing happening. I just washed my car, so that's why you might see some water. Goes to the door trim, goes through the glove compartment, comes around here, cable loops through here, and it's connected here. Now the LED bar has constant power, but it doesn't really drain anything because it only powers the switch, and then the switch is connected to a relay up to the front, which removes the battery power for the LED bar. Now I have added a dash cam. Now this is kind of a cheap Amazon $100 dash camera. I've connected it to my fuse box under the engine. Dual camera. Front is 1080p, and rear, as you can see here on the rear, it does also have a dash cam, but it's only 720. It is grainy because the cable do suck, and it is a pretty cheap $100 Amazon camera, but it works pretty great. My windows are 5% tinted, and it can see at night and at day because I've made a little cutout on the dash cam for the rear camera, so it works pretty great. Now I've also added this little wireless charger docking station for my phone, little USB, and my USB connection. This is a fast charger USB, so this also works with it, so it charges at fast charge. Now we'll see my little wrapping job. I have yes, I made it lighter. Added a little carbon fiber rear window, so it makes it a lot faster now, and add horsepower, 10% each wrap, so I'm running almost 500 horsepower. Now we'll see my little wiring for the dash cam and what else I've added to the car. I have a K&N filter, just a regular one. It's drying right now. I washed it, cleaned it out. I've added a catch can. This hose actually connects to the crankcase on the driver's side, crankcase vent port, driver's side. This is the PCV valve. I have checked it, I have opened it, and there actually is liquid. It has less than 300 miles already on it. I think I'm running around 235 miles since I've added this, and there's only been a couple liquids, some water condensation, and this is actually running to the positive, to the air box that's in front, so it creates a little suction, and it's working pretty great. No engine lights or nothing. I've added this bracket just because I don't want to pay $150 for for this whole system for a catch can. This was on about $30 because of the ports and the little release nozzle here for the liquids. Now for, like I said, my LED bar, here's the connections. So I connected the negative terminal actually to just the body trim, body ground, and then as you can see, I kind of removed it already. The positive, oh sorry, the positive is actually connected to the fuse box, to the main fuse connection. So this is the LED bar. This is my dash cam. I've soldered the connection together because it is pretty bad when it comes with the regular push connectors, and I've connected it to the stereo fuse. Made it the same 10 amp fuse for both. Let's see if I can focus in. There you go, 10 amp fuse for both. That's for the stereo, and then for the camera. The ground just made it connected to another bare metal part. That's essentially what I've added to the car. Any questions of what I added, how I wired it, feel free to comment or ask. Thank you.